Good day. In behalf of Giancarlo Marias, Ibanez Gumalal, and Ethel Ticataal, I am Kenro F. Mato from the Forest Sciences Department, College of Agriculture, Forestry, and Environmental Science of Mindanao State University at Naawan, and I will be presenting our study entitled Germination Potentials of Two Threatened Philippine Tree Species. And here is the outline of my presentation. Seed germination is defined as the resumption of the embryo. This process is crucial in seed plant life cycle and it is the basis for crop production. Primary dormancy prevents newly produced seeds from germinating, which helps the seeds prepared to difficult circumstances. For many years, methods of enhancing the growth and development of plant species from arid regions and even in tropical regions have been researched. Under field conditions, treated seeds are typically exhibited quick germination when absorbing water. In the Philippines, there are about 3,600 tree species and 67% of which are endemic. However, these tree species are threatened due to habitat loss, land conversion, illegal logging, and invasive aliens. Two of these species is Insia bihuga or commonly known as ipil and the Dracontomelon dao or commonly known as dao. These two species are currently categorized as vulnerable under DNR Administrative Order number 2017-11. The objective of this study is to determine the germination potential of dao and ipil using different pre-germination treatments and to determine the significant differences among treatments. This study provides new procedure in hastening the germination of the orthodox seeds like ipil and dao, and this gives new information for wood industries to increase their production. So here's the outline of the methods of this study. So this study was conducted under the nursery conditions in Zamboanga. The study was laid out in a two-factorial design, arrange, and randomized complete block design with three replication. Factor A were the seeds, and factor B are the pre-germination treatments. For the pre-germination treatments, we have the hot water, germ, then the scarification, then we have the treatment of sulfuric acid making and treatment with ANA. And here's the experimental layout. Okay, for the seed source, the seeds of ipil and dao were collected in Sidapawan and Kingoog, Misamis Oriental, both in Mindanao. The pre-germination treatments are the scarification, nicking, treatment of sulfuric acid, anaa, and HAP. Okay, for the data collection, were made every day and also germinated during the period we recorded and documented. For the statistical analysis, the analysis of variance was done in the statistical tool for agricultural research. Okay, for the results and discussion, the figure shows the germinative energy of Insta bihuga throughout the study period, and the peak of germination can be observed in the scarification. So, with between 7 to 8 days, and hot water, the seed started germinated at 11 days after the pre-treatment and followed by the knitting. So the result shows that Insta bihuga started germination on the fifth day after pre-treatment from the scarification and leaking. So these seeds are generally germinated with 90% and will emerge from 7 to 11 days after sowing. So this result shows that treating seeds with scarification and leaking could increase the germination of the seeds as compared to the control. For the Dracontomelon dao, it can be observed that The seeds started to germinate at 12 days after pre-treatment, and higher germination rate was observed in sulfuric acid. Okay, so for the percent germination of Insta bihuga, 100% seed germination were observed in scarification and followed by nicking and followed by the hot water treatment. So for the comparison between the two seeds, so for the Insta bihuga, highest germination was observed in scarification, and for the Draconto melon dao, highest germination was observed in sulfuric. Okay, for the results of the analysis of variance, so there is a significant differences that can be observed between heat treatments, and there is an interaction between the factor and the treatment. So a highly significant differences were observed as seen in the table. Okay, for the conclusion, for the seeds of Acacia bihuga, a highly significant differences were observed and highest germination was observed in scarification, followed by nicking and followed by hot water and sulfuric acid. For the Dracontomelon dao, the highest germination was observed in sulfuric acid, and there is a high significant differences were observed among. For the recommendation, the study recommends the use of scarification and nicking when germinating ethyl seeds and sulfuric acid for DAO. Then other pre-germination techniques with varied level of concentration is also recommended. Okay, that's all, and thank you for listening. Good day.